see the reflection in the roof, which it seems I can't right now. Whoa! So here we go. We gotta test the 195 for iOS, and let's see if the drone decides to follow along here. So, of course, we should test active track. This is what we're doing right now. So the drone is following very nicely along. I can adjust this a little bit so it looks a little bit better. So. It's rarely that we get a chance to test all these features like it is. I test different stuff when I'm out messing around with the drone, and today it is, and I probably should stop it here. Oh, it stands very nicely there. I'll just switch the car around here, which then we can do like a parallel track just to see what that looks like, if that works. I'm trying to do different variations of testing the software so it doesn't get boring. It can be a little bit boring sometimes, so let's just stop it here. And this time we are in sport mode. Let's just make sure that we put it in active track, then we put it in parallel, and then we press OK. And because we are in sport mode, there's nothing that will save the drone if we collide with anything while we're doing this. So I hope you enjoyed the scenery. I've mounted a ND16 on the drone. I'm using auto. I've underexposed the footage with 0.7 stop. And in case you don't know what stop is, this basically is, let's see, okay, so it's there. Let's just try and go around the corner here and see what it does. So I can see it outside the window here. So it's actually not that, it needs to stay within a certain distance to obey the law. And there's not much traffic going on here, so it's that part is really ideal. Let me just stop here for a sec, and I can put it out here so it really does the parallel thing. So let's just go ahead. So doing 40. So with the ND16 you can see there is some motion blur present. Yeah, there's no doubt about that. So let's just, you can see it on the buildings in the background where you have a lot of motion. Maybe when I edit the video I can just stop the frame so you can see what it is that I mean. At least that's what I can see here. So I'm just turning around here. See the drone is here still. It stays on the right side of the houses. There's no houses, we're just flying over a field. So it's that part is really nice. Let's just see what if we can squeeze the speed. I'm doing 50 kilometers an hour now, and I have to concentrate that I don't hit anything on the way here. It seems it's keeping up. I'm losing it a little bit, so it's not keeping up 100% as it is right now, but still, it looks nice. Hey, there's one of my friends. Just chiming in here. So. So let's just see if the drone catches up. I'll just go over here to this park parking lot here, so we can do a little additional testing. So it's coming here. So how about that? That was nice. So let's just do as circle around the car here. Oh, point of interest. Do it fast. I like fast. So this is the iOS. So this means that it's not the smart controller. It's with the old RCN1 controller. Some of you like to use that one, and as far as I know, that's only been an update for iOS. And as far as I can see here, this works really, really nice. So we just switch the direction. Turn around, turn around, turn around. And I need to check the screen recorder's running. It is running, so that's nice, because otherwise it would be a really, really boring video. So, all right. So that part worked pretty well. So let's just fly a little bit around here in Spotlight. You can see you can use the Spotlight mode for some really nifty stuff here. Just make sure that you have an object that's locked on here, and you can simply just fly around, and the camera will keep track of the object. So see, fly next to it like this. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah. So I can go up maybe while I'm turning. See the windmills. It's very, very nice. And I'm getting a lot of chat GPT bollocks on my screen. I don't know if that's being included on the screen recording. We could do a master shot. It's a long time since I've done a master shot. So let's just go close to the car here. So you can see now the drone auto detects all sorts of stuff. So the star in our master shot is, it's kind of annoying with all these messages. Let me just see if I can kill those. Like this. So now I start the master shot, and estimated 2 minutes. Let's say what it is that it's saying here. I can set all sorts of stuff here. I actually didn't know that. With large, let's try that. Length, large. We want it all. Large. So let's go. See what. So cars are coming now. Maybe there's a bird man or bird woman. Hey, no, don't pull that one on me. No. I want it in 4K. 4K 30. That's what I want. Don't do this 1080 bollocks on me. So we gotta use the sensor for its full potential. Yeah. So, and also while we're at it, let's underexpose it a little bit here. Maybe only 0.3 for this. Check the car, then we press start.
2, 1.
See if close the car. I'm not going anywhere right now. So now it's pulling away, it's doing a droney. So the whole idea with these master shots is basically that it uses all the quick shot modes that are available inside the drone. And then it's just performing those operations. And in the end, it combines it into something that, you can put on different templates so you can get your own look and feel. And of course, the raw recordings, they are a lot longer than the final result. The final result will be stitched together from these quick shot recordings. And then you'll be able to, add some themes and stuff like that, so you can make it look really, really nice. So now it's doing something. And as you just noticed, that it's actually doing something that you are not capable of doing with the quick shots. And because I'm doing it on my phone, I actually have the capabilities of creating the master shot directly onto the phone. I'm not really sure if you can do that with the DJI RC. I don't think it's it's not that advanced. You don't have so many options like you have when you're doing it directly on the phone. So now it's doing a rocket. It basically, it raises or climbs and doing strong wind. So, to be perfectly fair, I'm not using this function as often as I probably should. It's very easy to make something fast for social media by using this technique. Yeah. I know this is a different test than what I normally do, but it seems like everything was working nicely. So maybe I should just put it in video mode, enable some recording stuff, and see if I can land it on top of my car. So always go back in here, and then like this. Then I normally try to see if I can see the reflection in the roof, which it seems I can't right now. Whoa! Shit! Okay, fair enough. I'm new altitude error. What? Yeah, interesting. Excessive rollover, yeah, you could say that. I've done this like 1,000 times. I guess it was because, I don't know. The bottom sensor shouldn't be disabled when you are in sport mode. They shouldn't. So, I don't know. Maybe I learned something new today. But the drone survived. It slammed into the roof, into the glass roof, pretty hard, but it seems it survived. Restart the aircraft is not in flight. Vision obstacle avoidance disabled. Vision sensor blocked. Okay, but normally I don't think it's the bottom sensors that are being disabled, even though you are in sport mode. But that was kind of interesting. It just shows you that you can crash your drone when you least expect it. It's the first serious crash I had with this one. So I guess that's the first one for everything. Let's just see if I can start the motors. Let's just reboot it and see if I can start the motors. Plug in a new battery just to check if everything is like it's supposed to be. No, let's try it again. Let's see if we manage to destroy the drone.
Take off.
And we switch it to normal this time, so we have the sensors available.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So it's not bound to this controller. No, yeah, it survived. It survived. It's not pretty, but it survived. God damn it, man. This is what happens when you have to do something extraordinary fast. So I guess I will not be landing on the glass roof right now when I get it back. But everything seems to be working, so I didn't break anything, so that's nice. So this time I will just land it next to the car. All right, back safe on the ground, and this concludes my little testing, including a crash. A quite unexpected crash. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.